Moringa powder is the ultimate superfood that will revolutionize your health. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible benefits. So stay to the end as we cover the wonderful health benefits of moringa powder. Moringa powder, often called the miracle tree or drumstick tree, comes from the Moringa oleifera tree, a plant that has been revered for its health benefits for centuries. This incredible tree is native to the tropical and subtropical regions of South Asia, where it thrives in the warm, humid climate. People have used moringa for centuries in traditional medicine for its extraordinary health benefits. In many cultures, it is considered a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. Almost every part of the moringa tree, including its leaves, seeds, flowers, and roots, offers nutritional value and medicinal properties. The leaves are particularly rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as calcium, potassium, and protein. With its earthy flavor, moringa powder adds a nutritional punch to smoothies, soups, sauces, and even baked goods. It is a simple and effective way to boost your daily intake of essential nutrients and support your overall health. One of the most compelling reasons to include moringa powder in your diet is its impressive nutrient profile. Moringa leaves are packed with essential vitamins and minerals our bodies need to thrive. Just a single serving of moringa powder offers a significant amount of your daily requirement for several key nutrients. Moringa is an excellent source of vitamin A, crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. It also provides a substantial amount of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system and protects against cellular damage. Furthermore, moringa boasts impressive levels of vitamin E, another potent antioxidant that protects cell membranes from damage. In addition to these vitamins, moringa is a good source of B vitamins, essential for energy production, brain function, and cell metabolism. These B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin, play vital roles in converting food into energy and keeping our nervous systems functioning optimally. Moringa powder stands out for its high concentration of antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that protect our cells against damage from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules produced during normal metabolic processes and exposure to environmental toxins like pollution and smoke. When free radicals outnumber antioxidants in our body, it can lead to oxidative stress. This stress can damage cells, proteins, and DNA, increasing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Moringa contains a variety of powerful antioxidants, including flavonoids, polyphenols, and ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C. These antioxidants scavenge free radicals and neutralize their harmful effects, helping to protect our bodies from oxidative stress and its associated health risks. By incorporating moringa powder into your diet, you can boost your antioxidant intake and help your body fight against free radical damage, potentially reducing the risk of developing chronic diseases. Before we continue, if you found the information in this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, share, and subscribe. Your support is truly appreciated. Now let's continue on with this plant's amazing anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a natural immune response to injury or infection. While acute inflammation is a necessary part of healing, chronic inflammation can harm the body and contribute to chronic diseases. Chronic inflammation is linked to health issues like heart disease, arthritis, and certain types of cancer. Moringa possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat chronic inflammation. Specific compounds in moringa, including isothiocyanates, flavonoids, and phenolic acids, have been shown to suppress inflammatory pathways in the body. These compounds work by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory enzymes and cytokines, molecules that promote inflammation. By reducing the production of these inflammatory mediators, moringa helps to dampen the inflammatory response and protect the body from its harmful effects. Adding moringa powder to your diet can be a natural way to help manage inflammation and potentially lower the risk of chronic inflammatory conditions. Moringa powder has an amazing way of balancing blood sugar and glucose. This remarkable plant, often referred to as the miracle tree, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is essential for overall health. It helps in preventing a range of chronic conditions and ensures that our body functions optimally. High blood sugar can lead to various health problems, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and nerve damage. These complications can significantly impact quality of life and increase healthcare costs. Moringa has shown promising potential in helping regulate blood sugar levels. Its leaves are packed with nutrients and bioactive compounds that may offer health benefits. Studies suggest that certain compounds in moringa leaves may help improve insulin sensitivity. These compounds include isothiocyanates and chlorogenic acid, which have been shown to influence glucose metabolism. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar by allowing glucose to enter cells for energy. Proper insulin function is crucial for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. When cells become resistant to insulin, blood sugar levels can rise. This condition, known as insulin resistance, is a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. Moringa may help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to utilize glucose more effectively and keeping blood sugar levels balanced. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or prediabetes. Additionally, moringa may inhibit the breakdown of carbohydrates in the intestine, leading to a slower release of sugar into the bloodstream. This can help in managing post-meal blood sugar spikes. This slower absorption can help prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals, promoting more stable glucose levels. Consistent blood sugar levels are important for long-term health and can reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Incorporating moringa powder into a balanced diet, along with regular exercise and other healthy lifestyle choices, may help support healthy blood sugar levels. Moringa can be added to smoothies, soups, and various dishes, making it a versatile addition to your diet. Moringa provides amazing healthy heart support and cholesterol management. Let's explore how moringa, a nutrient-dense plant, can play a significant role in managing cholesterol levels and supporting heart health. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. Elevated levels of cholesterol in the blood can lead to the development of fatty deposits in the blood vessels, making it difficult for blood to flow through the arteries. Moringa has demonstrated potential in promoting healthy cholesterol levels, which is beneficial for cardiovascular health. This plant, often referred to as the miracle tree, is rich in vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that contribute to its health-promoting properties. Studies have shown that moringa may help lower total cholesterol, LDL, or bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while increasing HDL, or good cholesterol. This balance is crucial because while LDL cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, HDL cholesterol helps to remove it. High levels of LDL cholesterol can build up in the arteries, forming plaque that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. This buildup narrows the arteries and restricts blood flow, which can result in serious cardiovascular events. HDL cholesterol, on the other hand, helps remove excess cholesterol from the bloodstream, protecting against heart disease. It acts as a scavenger, carrying LDL cholesterol away from the arteries and back to the liver, where it can be processed and eliminated from the body. The cholesterol-lowering effects of moringa are likely due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties help to neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation, both of which are important for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Antioxidants protect LDL cholesterol from oxidation, which can contribute to plaque buildup. Oxidized LDL is more likely to adhere to the walls of arteries, leading to the formation of plaques that can obstruct blood flow. Additionally, reducing inflammation in the arteries may also help prevent plaque formation and improve overall heart health. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by hardened and narrowed arteries. Including moringa powder in a heart-healthy diet, along with regular exercise and other lifestyle modifications, can contribute to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and supporting cardiovascular well-being. By incorporating moringa into your daily routine, you can take a proactive step towards better heart health and overall wellness. So there you have it. We've explored the incredible benefits of moringa powder, a true superfood. Research shows that moringa is rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a powerful ally in promoting health and preventing diseases like diabetes, obesity, and cancer. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals, supports immune function, and aids in digestion. By incorporating moringa powder into your diet, you can enjoy its wide range of health benefits, from improved energy levels to better skin and hair health. Stay tuned to The Good Life for more health and wellness videos. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.